Your divine masculine can only stay in your frequency when you have fully aligned with soul and you are fully aligned with inner union. This is about you embodying that inner union. While ever there is any lower frequencies of wanting, desiring, seeing things outside of the self, then you will stay in that lower version of self. And the divine masculine will also stay in the lower version, because remember, the divine masculine follows the feminine's frequency and energy. Once you are holding that energy and frequency in a really strong sovereign energy, you will feel divine masculine come back in, and they'll come in and test you at a really deep level. And this is about you standing strong in your frequency and really holding that inner union energy. Inner union is very unique for you. But one of the keys that happens with all twins is at soul recognition, you get that heart chakra activation, your core wounds are activated, and the kundalini now is really rampantly rising through the body. This is about learning how to work with the Shakti and the Shiva frequency and learning how to balance your own inner feminine and your own inner masculine, being able to dance with that energy. Now, throughout this, divine masculine's energy will keep coming in. You're both now in that beautiful feedback in that 1/3 energetic field. And this can feel very confusing because you're learning how to work not just with your energy, but also divine masculines, because you share the same soul essence and frequency. The key, though, is you fully embodying it, you learning how to embrace this energy. And as that energy and frequency weaves, because it will come in and weave, to not go into that victim energy, to not deregulate your nervous system, to be able to hold the energy and know that you as a divine feminine, you are always creating your reality. And for you to fully embrace and step into your service, why you are activated onto this journey. Twins have a very, very rapid awakening journey. You are in a very quickening frequency, and the energy right now on the planet is very fast, is very quick. The energy and the frequency of the light coding that you are now transmuting down into the ley lines and the frequency of the earth is rapid, is fast, is sometimes you cannot even breathe for air before the next wave is coming in. This is because we are going through a very, very rapid ascension phase at the moment. And you, as a divine feminine, for you to hold the frequency, you have to step in to that inner union. You have to align with that inner union. You have to embrace that priestess frequency, that sovereign frequency. And whether your divine masculine is coming in their physical energy or just in the energetic energy, it is about holding the energy. And as you're able to hold that energy, divine masculine is able to orbit and stay in your frequency a lot longer. You cannot jump stages on this journey. You cannot bypass that inner union. Most divine feminines early on in the journey, they want to forget the inner union and solely focus on union with divine masculine. How you get union with divine masculine is through inner union, through the soul frequency. And if you need more help and support on this, the 1st of November, which is now only a couple of days away, we are going all the way into step by step for the next 30 days, how to create inner union, how to hold inner union, so you don't go into this in and out frequency. So you stand in your sovereignty, you work your light, you work your service, you align with that soul frequency. And so you stop the endless searching. You stop the chaotic energy. Divine Masculine at that point will be able to stay in the frequency and hold it a lot longer, because guess what? You are standing in your sovereignty. If you're ready to start to shift your journey, then we start in a union. It is for the next 30 days. As soon as you join, you get access. You get access to over 50 hours of coaching calls to support you, to help you, to shift you into that frequency. No longer looping, no longer staying in that pain. It is there to shift you, but it will shift you in a powerful way. I hope this helps. If you need more help and support, my website is there. Come along and join so you are not going into 2026 in this same energy. My website is 3wscatsacredsoul.com. 3wscatsacredsoul.com. I send you much love, many blessings.